Okay, so if we want to make a secret room in our game, we can do it as a procedure. So much the same way we did the game over procedure just here. So remember, it's a program running inside another program. We can do the same thing. So we go def, and I've called it room one, and then brackets and colon, and indented inside that, I've said what I want to happen in room one. So when they go into room one, this is what I want to happen. All it is at the moment is just a question, and they can get the answer correct or not correct. You'll notice at the moment I'm not giving any lives or points or anything. We'll do that in the next video. But basically, just make sure everything that you want to happen in the room is indented. And then when you want to run the room, just call its name, room one, and the two brackets. So, for example, down here, I've got an if statement. And if they choose the right option, which is S, it will then activate a nested if statement where it asks them if they want to go to the room. If they do, the procedure runs and the room one code will execute. Otherwise, the game will carry on. Okay, so if we were to run the game, this is what we'd see. Okay, and we'll go S, and then we get the other nested if statement, and then we say yes, and then the room code will execute. So the room code is just, what's it? Window up. The room code is what we looked at earlier, just here. Okay, so let's just check if it definitely works. Colours the sky blue. Yep, good. And then the game will continue as normal after that. Okay, so that's how to make a secret room within the code. Using a procedure exactly the same way as you did lives the game over one. Do it in exactly the same way. Give it a go. Put some things in your room. Run your room. Give the user an option to get in the room, and just see how it goes.